How to share live photos from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Collections. On this page, scroll down and go to the Media Types section. From here, tap on Live Photos. You can view all your live photos over here. Open the photo you want to share. Tap on the share icon at the bottom left to open the share sheet. In the share options, scroll if required and choose the sharing platform you want. For example, messages. You can now send this photo as a message to your friends. Following these steps, you can easily share live photos from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.